Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a service color thing. So I'll show you guys this. I'll take everything out of the bag. So we have a little harness that goes in the dog, and then this will clip around the front like that, and then that'll go under the belly. And you can have it say right now, it says service dog and training, don't pet. You also have these come off with Velcro, so you can put on the different ones here. You can have it say just service dog, in training, or emotional support you also have as well. So we have all these different ones here, so it comes with those. It also comes with its own little leash. So let's see how long this leash is here. Check this out. Looks like it's about a 5-foot leash, so that's pretty nice. A nice thick one too. And it's got a little loop up here, which is nice. That's where you can hang your little poop bags and things like that. It's always nice to have a little extra loop on the leash. And then what is this part for? I guess this would be another handle so you can pick up your dog from there as well. So let's give this thing a try here on my little puppy. And I'll show you here also, it has a place to put your name and address on here. My puppy is teeny tiny, so she's maybe 6 pounds. Move her closer to me. Hi Penny, let's try this on. This is Penny. So we're gonna give this a try with Penny. There we go. And I've got it set for the smallest possible one. And this is what she looks like. How cute is she? Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'd pick her up with this, but it's a little loose on here. You know, you can put your hand in here, but it does stay on and it would be good. So, I mean, I still will have a collar on her. I probably would use the collar, and this would just be for display purposes for the service dog. She's still gonna get a little bigger, so maybe this will fit her at some point. Hopefully it will. But this is what it looks like here. How cool is that? Super cute. My little cutie doggy. Are you cute, Penny? Yes, you are. Okay. And there we go. Thumbs up.